Assalamu alaikum viewers. I have cut down all U-bands of this cooling coil and now I will fix these new U-bands in these holes. I am fixing these U-bands into these holes, and after fixing I will bracing these U-bands. I have already uploaded a detailed video of U-band replacement on my channel. You can watch a detailed video of U-band replacement by clicking on the link who I provide into this video description. So watch full video by clicking on the link who I have provided into this video description.